Hi, take five. Hello everyone. Before that I'm gonna sing, I wanna say a little bit to you all. This song is dedicated to all of you guys because I love y'all and I haven't sing that song for a while now. So the song is called Joko May. And also I want to say Merry Christmas to you all. Christmas is almost here, so I hope you guys like it, alright? And if you thought that I'm not gonna sing it, I hope you guys enjoy, okay? Well, follow me and listen. 就古天马早我先好，不得他如今要到我前，有过一枚，有过一枚，还就过掉，路定要得梦些有些。就不妹妹做我写的，我不就是多多就不一定有就可见的不清楚，一不要的，就没有到心啊。Alright, that's all. I love you guys. Mwah. Okay, bye. Good luck, all of you guys.